Hello, Maki-san. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you just from the beginning so you can see what you will see tomorrow. So this, I hope you can see this, is first slide, opening, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, fifth, sixth, seventh. You see here, there's a bit, the image is a bit, comes up, 8, 9. 10. Now, if you want to make it perfect, I believe you were working on a Mac or were you working on a PC? If you're working on a PC, perhaps it's safer to present it on a PC. But if you want to present it on my Mac, then this is what it looks like. So if that's acceptable, and I think it is, then I'll be available to you. You can use my my laptop. Okay.